Hey guys, what's up? This is Nakul from Skills Academy of English. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another video giving you insights on the difference between it's and its. Both are pronounced the same way. Typically they are homophones. That means they have same pronunciation but the meaning is entirely different. So let me just share my screen. True, we are talking about ITS and IT apostrophe S. Oh man, lot of people have problems in this. Some don't even realize and use them interchangeably. In place of ITS, they end up using IT apostrophe S. In place of IT apostrophe S, they end up using ITS. Today in this short video series, I'll explain you, give you a clear picture about ITS and IT apostrophe S so that you don't repeat the mistakes again. Alright, so first thing first, IT apostrophe S is a contraction. That means to write a bigger word. In other words, what I mean is instead of writing a bigger word, you can contract them and write in a shorter format. For example, ma'am. Ma'am is not M-A-M. It's a short form of madam. M-A-D-A-M. Instead of writing 5 letters, you end up writing 4 letters with one apostrophe. M-A apostrophe A-M. M-A-D-A-M, M-E-A apostrophe A-M. For example, our famous cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, you would have seen people writing his name in the TV. T apostrophe D-U-L-K-A-R instead of writing T-E-N-D-U-L-K-A-R. So apostrophes have two main purposes. One is contraction, other is possession. So IT apostrophe S is a contraction, which means it's a short form of IT space IS. It is a good day, it's a good day, IT apostrophe S. But there's one more way with which you actually show the apostrophe S, which is possession, means an object belongs to someone. ITS is equal to his car, her car, David apostrophe S car, cat apostrophe S food. It's nothing but ITS. So what exactly I mean? The first one was pretty simple. I understand IT apostrophe S is straightforward, IT space IS, but ITS is like her, his, it's a possession. So what exactly I mean? Let me just take you through the next slide. Possession is an object belongs to someone. The hat belongs to David. In other words, you say it is David apostrophe S hat, not David S hat. David apostrophe S hat. So if you pay attention here, after apostrophe a noun has to come because it's a possession. You possess something, it belongs to someone. The house belongs to Sarah. It is Sarah apostrophe S house. After apostrophe you need a possession. The food belongs to the cat. In other words, it is cat apostrophe S food. It is its food. Nakul, you said apostrophe after apostrophe a noun will be there, but here there is no apostrophe, so I will write IT apostrophe S food, which is wrong. For the IT concept, ITS or IT apostrophe S, this will not hold good. ITS itself is a possession. It is its food. ITS will have a noun, IT apostrophe S will not have a noun. IT apostrophe S means it is. It is food. If you write it here, pay more attention. IT apostrophe S, it means it is food. IT apostrophe S is it is. So ITS means cat apostrophe S, Sarah apostrophe S, David apostrophe S. ITS means it's a possession. Hope you are getting it. It is its food. It is cat's food. Its tail means the tail belongs to it. The tail belongs to dog. IT apostrophe S tail, if you write, it means it is a tail. Hope you are getting it. So the possession is different, contraction is different. When you want to talk about possession, you talk about ITS. Cat apostrophe S is nothing but its, tail is like her car, her house. David apostrophe S. Pay more attention, I am telling you this is his hat. In other words, it is David apostrophe S hat. This is her house. In other words, it is Sarah apostrophe S house. It is its food. In other words, it is cat apostrophe S. His, her or ITS. Don't get confused, don't get confused. Simple terms, ITS will have a noun. IT apostrophe S is it is. Okay. So let's continue with this. It is a great day, or it's a great day. This is the correct one. IT apostrophe S means it is a great day. It is easy to do. It is easy to do. This is the correct one. The cat's food is stolen. See, after apostrophe, noun will come. After ITS, noun will come. Its food, his food, her food, its food is stolen. Here, if you write IT apostrophe S food, then it's completely wrong. It is food is stolen. No, it's its food, his food, the cat apostrophe S. Hope I'm not confusing. Let's understand with a small fill in the blank. You pause the video, do the questions, and then resume the video to understand if you have gotten 5 out of 5. Remember this, after ITS, noun will come. After IT apostrophe S, noun will not come. So, noun is not there. A is an article, so use it's a beautiful day, IT apostrophe S. The dog chase, noun is there. Her tail, his tail, ITS tail. Hope you are getting it. Dash been. So, IT apostrophe S can also mean it has. It's not just it is, it has. So, here there is no noun, so it is IT apostrophe S means it has been a long time. It's been a long time. The computer has lost dash connection. David's connection, David's house, ITS. Hope you are getting it. It is important. Important is not a noun, important is an adjective. It is or IT apostrophe S. First is IT apostrophe S, second is ITS, third is IT apostrophe S, fourth is ITS, fifth is IT apostrophe S. I really hope you like the video. Well, if you like the video, do share your response with the like button is there. You can click on the like button and do leave a comment how you felt the video about. After all, I'm a human. I also feel good. If you leave a good comment and be motivated to come up with more videos like this, you have some things in your mind as to, Nakul, you make a video on this, do leave a comment. Very soon, I'm going to come up with that particular video. Do follow us, click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Very soon, I will be back. This is Nakul signing off from Skills Academy of English. Take care. Bye-bye.